All right, guys, here we are in beautiful Mora, Sweden. Thought maybe we would take a walk down through town, go to the Mora concept store and also the Hemslöjd handcraft store and kind of give you guys a sneak peek at some of that as well as some of the Mora town as well. Stay with us. Okay, so we are in the Mora Hemslöjd store, and Hemslöjd is handcraft in Scandinavia. They have their own magazine, Hemslöjd. I generally buy a couple of these every time I'm in the country. You can see it's next to the Mora concept store, and everybody here is very close because Mora is a small community. So while they carry lots and lots of different handcrafted items from the area here, they also carry a Mora kniv because Mora kniv is also part of the Slöjd and Hemslöjd culture, especially in the area of Mora, but all over Sweden and Scandinavia. So this place sells more handcrafting type supplies as well as items that have been handcrafted around the area. You can see just over here they have some of Yogi Sundquist's carving work, another Mora kniv global ambassador, and his book. And so they sell lots of handcrafted items here from people all over the area, as well as supplies for making these items. This is one of my favorite stops when I'm in Mora. I come here every time just to look around and see what they have. I see socks here. Iris is going to be in here buying socks. One of her favorite things is to buy socks. So, a Dala horse there. Of course, we are in Dalarna, and the Dala horse is symbolic of the area of Dalarna and Mora. I have some books here on different handcrafting as well.
Ja, det har hon. Det var den där. All right. Så då skulle du hämta den och betala den för hon hade kommit på. Son är mor. Så slapp hon ut.
Ja, det var jättebra.
Ja, det var väl bra. Det ska vi titta på oss.
Here's some birch bark knife sheaths for the Slöjd knife.
She's 93 years old. 92 years old. Anna-Lisa Andersson.
92 years old, the woman that makes these?
Yeah.
Wow, that's awesome.
Så.
Beautiful.
It's my mom.
Oh, it's your mother? Wow. That's awesome.
Ja, precis.
Nu finns det sådär, så, och det är en kod.
For a long time, they had a beautiful birch bark backpack up on this top shelf. I think now they have sold it. It's gone now. I've threatened to buy it every time I've been here.
Är det okej att ta den sådär?
Here's Steven over here. Okay, I see. You're already having fun, yes? Already having fun.
No alcohol content.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Not fruit juice.
I'm a change man. No more alcohol for me.
Really?
Yes.
That's a lie.
Is it live?
For today.
Yes, live. Live now, friend.
For today. For today.
Yeah, for today? Yeah,
Just
okay.
bought like one carton just now.
Yeah, okay. I don't believe this from you. All right. Hey.
Hi.
All right. Say hello to everyone. Yeah, good. Now we are entering the Mora concept store.
Hi,
How are you today? Good?
fine, thank you.
Good.
You?
Good. And this has only been open for a couple years. It was an idea to bring Mora's new products as well as their old products out into the community so that people who are visiting Mora, the area around Dalarna, could come here and see Mora knives as well as some of the handcrafts like the Dala horses, things like that. A good fit being next to the Hemslöjd store because they work well together. We will be at the Mora Concept Store in Stockholm next week. After the Mora Kniv Adventure, I have a book signing and workshop there. So I will be there on, I believe it is Tuesday of next week for a few hours. If you're in the Stockholm area, you can come check that out. I think Johan Skolman will be there with me as well, doing some workshops. And we're going to visit a restaurant that is owned by another Mora Kniv ambassador who specializes in gourmet meat, which, as you know, is my favorite. So we're gonna try to get some videotape in that restaurant as well with him and introduce you to him as well next week.